Today, we're diving into 8 car maintenance hacks that most mechanics do not want you to know. Why? Because these tips will save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars and put you in the driver's seat when it comes to taking care of your ride. And the best part? You don't need to be a certified mechanic to do any of this. So if you've ever felt ripped off at the shop or just want to stop paying for stuff you could handle in your driveway, this one's for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Learn how to check and replace your air filter. It sounds boring, but your car's air filter plays a huge role in performance and fuel economy. Many mechanics charge $30 to $80 for something you can replace yourself in under 5 minutes for as little as $10. You don't need special tools or training, just open your hood, unclip or unscrew the filter box, usually a big plastic container, remove the old filter, and pop in the new one. A dirty filter restricts airflow, making your engine work harder and burn more fuel. Manufacturers often recommend changing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but if you drive in dusty areas, it might need more frequent swaps. This tiny upgrade improves acceleration, reduces emissions, and keeps your engine breathing easy. It's also one of the first things a mechanic will replace and upcharge for when you say, "My car feels sluggish." Do it yourself, save cash, and feel that slight kick of DIY pride every time you step on the gas. Number 2. Brake pads, know when and how to replace them. Your brakes are literally your lifeline, but replacing brake pads doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Mechanics will often mark up parts and tack on labor fees that make a $40 set of pads balloon into a $300 repair. But if you're even a little handy, changing your own brake pads is totally doable and deeply satisfying. All you need is a jack, a lug wrench, a C-clamp, and some patience. When you hear squealing, grinding, or feel vibrations while braking, it's time to inspect those pads. Most have wear indicators built in, so a high-pitched noise is actually your car's cry for help. Letting your pads wear too thin not only endangers you but can also damage rotors, which cost far more to replace. Learning this one skill can save you thousands over a car's lifetime and keep you ahead of unexpected repairs. Mechanics won't exactly tell you this because it eats into one of their most reliable sources of income. Number 3. Transmission fluid doesn't have to be a mystery. Transmission trouble is one of the most expensive nightmares you can face as a car owner. So it's a little suspicious how few people know that you can, and should, check and maintain your transmission fluid yourself. Mechanics often bill it as something too complex for DIYs, but in reality, checking the level and quality of your transmission fluid is as simple as checking your oil. In cars with dipsticks, newer models may require a scan tool or service center. If the fluid is brown or smells burnt, it's due for a change. Keeping it clean and topped off prevents slipping gears, hard shifts, and early failure. It's also a common upsell at service shops. The trick? Many transmissions are sealed or lifetime filled, meaning there's no dipstick, but that doesn't mean they last forever. Know your car's maintenance schedule and push for a fluid change around 60k or 100k miles, even if your mechanic shrugs it off. Stay proactive, and you could avoid a $3,000 rebuild down the road. Number 4. Rotate your tires, it's easier than it sounds. This one gets ignored way too often. Tire rotation is one of those sneaky little services that seems minor. But skipping it can shave thousands of miles off your tire life. Mechanics often roll this into pricey maintenance packages or charge for it separately, even though it's something you can do at home with a jack and a couple of hours. By rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, you even out the wear, improve traction, and ensure your car handles safely. Front tires wear out faster because they carry more weight and do the steering. If you never swap them around, you'll be replacing just the fronts twice as often, and that's money lost. Learn your tire pattern, front to rear, side to side, or diagonal, depending on whether your tires are directional, and keep a log. Number 5. Don't fall for the wiper blade trick. You've probably gone in for an oil change and come out with a surprise, urgent upsell: your wiper blades are dangerously worn. They might even offer to replace them for $30 to $50 a pair. Here's the thing, replacing wiper blades is laughably easy, and most auto parts stores even offer free installation if you buy them there. You can grab a set for under $15 online or in store. It takes literally less than 5 minutes and no tools. All you need is the make and model of your car to get the right fit. If you notice streaking, skipping, or noise when the blades run, that's your cue. You can also extend blade life by cleaning the rubber with a damp towel now and then. Don't give in to the guilt trip when they wave a crusty old blade in your face. Be smart, carry a spare set in your trunk, and take care of it yourself. You'll avoid another easy upsell, and you'll always have clear visibility. Number 6. Use a cheap OBD2 scanner to read your own check engine light. One of the biggest tools in a mechanic's upsell arsenal is the mysterious, dreaded check engine light. It's vague, it's scary, and you're left totally in the dark. But here's a secret: for about $20, you can buy a little OBD2 scanner that plugs right into your car's diagnostic port and tells you what's wrong in plain language. No more crossing your fingers or blindly agreeing to expensive diagnostic fees. These scanners pair with your smartphone and show fault codes, giving you a leg up when you walk into the shop. Sometimes it's something silly, like a loose gas cap or a failed sensor that isn't urgent. Other times, it's legit. But knowing is half the battle. Armed with that info, you can avoid being sold on unnecessary repairs or parts. In some cases, you might even be able to clear the code yourself and see if it comes back. This tiny tool is worth its weight in gold for car owners. Number 7. Learn the real deal on oil change intervals. The old every 3,000 miles rule? It's outdated, and yet many quick lube shops still push it hard. Why? Because more oil changes mean more visits, and more opportunities to upsell you on extras you don't need. Most modern vehicles with synthetic oil can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes. Always go by your owner's manual, not the sticker the shop slaps on your windshield. Overchanging your oil doesn't necessarily hurt your car, but it does hurt your wallet and wastes good oil. If you're doing mostly highway driving, your oil stays cleaner longer. You can also get your oil tested for around $25 to see how it's holding up. Mechanics won't tell you that because long intervals mean fewer appointments. Bottom line, know your car, track your mileage, and stop paying for maintenance you don't need. Plus, doing your own oil change is easier than you think and a great gateway into DIY car care. Number 8. Your cabin air filter matters, and it's easy to replace. This one's sneaky because it's out of sight, out of mind. The cabin air filter keeps the air inside your car clean, filtering out pollen, dust, and smog. But most people don't even know they have one, let alone when to change it. Mechanics often charge $50 to $100 for a swap that takes less than 5 minutes and a $10 to $20 part. In most cars, it's located behind the glove box. Pop it open, release a latch, slide the old one out, and you're done. If your vents smell funky or airflow feels weak, this could be the culprit. Changing it regularly keeps your AC efficient and the air healthier to breathe. If you suffer from allergies, this is especially important. You wouldn't breathe through a moldy dust mask, right? Same logic. Do it yourself once, and you'll wonder why anyone pays for it. Trust me, it's one of the easiest wins in car care. And there you have it, 8 car maintenance hacks that can save you serious money, time, and stress. Don't be afraid to pop the hood. You've got this. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment telling me which one you're trying first. And hey, if there's a trick you use that I didn't mention, share it below so we can all learn something new. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.